Sunrise breaking on Nadroga shore. Ni cabe na siga mai wasawasa. Children walking down the dusty road. Lako, yani, Ratu Filise na marau levu. Palm trees sway like they know our names. Cagi, kauta, na talanoa. From the elder's voice to the young one's dreams. Eda tubu vata qele. Namatakula, Noqu, Vanua, heart of Nadroga. This is home. Kawa, Nasikawa, Yavusa Vusu, we stand strong. From the reef to the rugby field, we carry pride, we never fold. Namatakula, forevermore. This is the land that shaped my soul. Sunday morning, church bell rings. Vale ni lotu full of praise. Reguregu, raica, noda, sala. Ancestors guiding us all our days. After school we chase the sun. Barefoot laughs, no worries here. From classroom dreams to village nights. Bibi na Vanua, bibi na yani. Namatakula, Noqu, Vanua, heart of Nadroga. This is home. Kawa, Nasikawa, Yavusa Vusu, we stand strong. From the reef to the rugby field, we carry pride, we never fall. Namatakula, forevermore. This is the land that shaped my soul. Sunday dust, crowd screaming loud. White and black running fearless and fast. Namatakula, let us take the field. Playing for the future, honoring the past. One village, one voice, one fight. Eda tu vata kawa. We no lose, we hold our heads high. Ni noda kauta na vata. Namatakula, Noqu, Vale dina. From the schoolyard to the sea, Ratu Filise taught us well to dream big and stand free. Kawa, Nasikawa, Yavusa Vusu, that's my name. Namatakula, Nadroga pride.